Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise. There's one that's sharp and funny, another is always in a hurry. Another has all the facts, one is always munching snacks. Different yet together, they are all friends for life. Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise.
It's the last day of our school. Let's see who tops this time.
I will.
You would, if it were an eating competition. I'm talking about our exams.
Then it's got to be either Adhikar or Jagriti.
Jagriti tops only because I gave more time to sports.
But this time there were no sporting events.
Precisely. This year there is going to be a new topper.
Let's bet on it.
Why not?
Why? I want both of us to top the class.
2 toppers? You mean 2 celebration parties?
Laddu is already dreaming of the feast.
Results day is here today. Let's see how they fared. Happiness or sorrow, together they are all prepared. Unsure they march on to touch new skies. Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise.
Hello, sir.
Namaste, namaste, and to all of you, congratulations and celebration.
But only Jagriti has topped.
Yes, but Adhikar is a topper in sports, you in science, and Laddu?
I still have to reappear in a subject.
The job is almost done. Study hard, but don't miss out on the fun.
Sir, you are the first one to have congratulated me. Here's another sweet for you.
I'll take the sweets, but tell me, what are your future plans?
I want to be a teacher.
I'll start preparing for the IAS exams.
I am still confused. Maybe I'll join the police force and do something for the society.
Whatever you do it well. But if you want to do something for the society, you don't have to wait.
We can't be in police or become an army officer right now.
You are going to be the most powerful officers soon.
All of us, even Laddu. Surely he doesn't even have an officer-like name.
Name, color, age, religion. Nothing matters in elections.
You are talking about voting.
Exactly.
I have just turned 18, but these are still kids.
They are about to be 18 too. That's why I want you all to be ready.
Right now, I just want to be ready for my exam.
By devouring these sweets.
Sugar makes the brain work faster.
I don't know about that. But this preparation is very easy.
Right, one just needs to be 18.
True, you are entitled to the right to vote at 18. But that's just half the story.
Are you talking about the voter card?
Exactly. But if you want to know everything in detail, Suresh sir is the man.
Our sports teacher.
Yes, he is also the BLO.
BLO?
Booth level officer.
What's the matter, Laddu?
We know Laddu's belly has the capacity of a storehouse. Still it has its limits.
Now we'll take your leave. Got to share the good news with others as well.